Okay, hello and welcome to another e-tutorial. This one is covering how to do a simple scatterplot in SPSS. Bear in mind that SPSS has changed a lot recently, and especially the main thing that's changed over the recent years and recent versions of it are how it draws graphs. So the version I'm showing you today is with the version that I use, which is version 18, which I think is the latest version, and hopefully you've got the same kind of one. Okay, so we're going to start with some data. We're doing the scatterplot of how many alcoholic drinks someone's had in relation to their extra version, just to see if they're related in any shape or form. If you're doing this at the same time as listening to this, you might want to pause it now to write these values in. Okay, we've got to organise like that, and remember that each row will be one participant here. Okay, so to draw a graph, all we need to do is go to Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, and then scatter/dot, and then it's got a simple scatter selected already, and we leave it selected at that, and then we press define, and then we're going to put extra version onto the y-axis and the number of alcoholic drinks onto the x-axis. And simple as this is, that's all we need to do for now. Then we go down and press OK. That comes out with our graph. Now you can pretty much see there's a kind of linear relationship going on here with these data, but it would be quite nice to actually kind of graph it and tell us what the strength of that relationship is. So if we just double click on the graph, that will then open up this second window, which allows us to edit the graph. The first view you get is just a kind of general view of it, and then you can double click on it for more options and customization stuff. So all you need to do is you click on it like this, and then right click, and then you've got all these different options. So you can add axis reference lines if there's kind of some kind of cut-off point that you're interested in, text boxes or annotations. These are all really useful things to do, but what we want to do for now is add fit line at total. Okay, now the main difference you'll see here, if we go and close this chart editor window, is that now it's got a line first of all, which is the regression for the x on the y-axis values, and also it gives us our nice r² value for linear regression here, which is 0.853, and then we can use that to interpret our data and decide what's going on. Okay, that was nice and simple, and that's the end of that one.